What's up, guys? Welcome back to another install. Today it's gonna be a real quick one. Should be. I'm just gonna change the badging. I'm gonna change the H and the accord to black, and I'm gonna get rid of those. So it's just gonna be one badge with the H. Just keep it nice and simple and clean. So I have the badges right here. This is the code sign. Oh well. If you need the part number, it's right there. I ordered this from the dealer. It was like 60 bucks and came in one day. I broke it. There you go. That's off. You're gonna need some glue gun as well, so that when you remove the letters, to remove that old tape. Just put it in there. Just peel off your tape here. Tool, go to the holes. Press in. All right. That's the easy one. Next, I'm just going to remove these. These are very cheap dental floss, so they break very easily. So that's why I'm using this much, so I can double it. You can maybe triple it. Then get in here, just work your way. Okay, so I'm gonna take these out, like that. Okay. Clean this out. Like that. So that when you put it back on, it comes back on very straight, like. Spray it. Let it sit for a little bit so it can be removed easily. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this one off. Okay, that's all done. Get some rubbing alcohol and rub that surface to make sure there's no more of that glue gun residue left. Sounds like done. There you go.